All right, guys, on your quads as we go hot in less than 5 on the tone. All right, McGap and McFPV, Mac FPV on 3-lap pace. McGap just went on a 4-lap pace. He's still not going to best this time he's already had. Neither will Mac FPV. Their previous laps are better. All right, guys, when you cross, you will be done. When you cross, you'll be done. We got one McFPV. You're done. Good job. You didn't best your previous time. Here comes McGap. Oh! All right, let's land it. Let's move on. Everybody's done. Yeah. God dang. I thought we had one of the bigs. Maybe not. Oh, two of them didn't crash out.